Wow, look at all this flower.
It's not Jessie, it's Lullier.
Lullier pala. Excuse me, Lullier désolé. Wow, look at that. Pronto. Listen the bird. Listen to the bird. Ikut di swazo. It looks like a rose, but it's not a rose.
No, it's not. But it's the same shape.
This one, oh. This one looks like a rose. This one, but it's not a rose. It's a Camellia japonica from Japan and Korea. Look,
It's so perfect shape, the next
it's so
one.
beautiful this one, but the original look away is like that
Well,
only.
when it's like that, you say, oh, it's nothing. And when you open, wow.
Wow. Listen to the bird. Wow. This is the Camellia japonica. Look at this tree. It's the Camellia. And they have a different variety. Look at that. What? In one tree, different variety. Mix and red. Wow. Let's look at that.
Ah, you can show to Bibi and say, you remember, it's the agriculture school where we go in winter. Well, look at that, it's so beautiful.
So that's the spring. Check. Oh la la.